Hey, Coach T here, your blood type lifestyle health coach. I am offering an awesome 4-week live course for you in February 2023, but I want you to get on this now in reference to being able to see yourself in the future and next year to have what you want to have. The weight loss is gone, your skin is clear, you're not as tired, and you're learning how to eat foods that serve your blood type. Next thing we're going to do also among that is really meal prep and plan so that you can have some tantalizing dishes for your family. Also, don't forget, we're going to learn how to grocery shop and learn what real labels are and which ingredients really work for you too. And of course, we'll be able to learn about how we learn to move that body according to our blood types in terms of exercises, guys. And I'm so excited about the bonuses. Let me tell you what the bonuses are, okay? You're going to be able to learn how the sugar does affect your blood type. And in certain ways it does, in certain ways it does not. Next thing is afterwards, after we finish the courses, which I'm dropping in a Q&A session, so you're really getting 6 weeks, is that you'll be able to know, hey, how do I go forward in disciplining myself to go forward? So, hey, guys, grab your seats now because there are limited seats for 2023. There is a non-refundable deposit. I would put the link in the bottom. But this is for you. Grab it for yourself and grab it for another person so they can benefit too. Talk to you.